Most welcome to Sam Felimo Farms. This is a prototype I'm using as an educational resource to teach my students on the importance of agribusiness. Here we have a simple structure made up of local materials obtained from this vicinity. Actually, we are using the IMO system where the ground is not concreted. So we obtain this wood from our nearby woodlot. We cut them to teach them how to construct a simple pig pen. You know, pigs, they have very powerful snout, which can be used for digging. So if you make only balls, they can dig. The next day you come, you won't find them. So we have to lay blocks under it to prevent them from digging under the pen. Depending on the size of your farm, here we have 6 pens constructed. Each can house 4 pigs, 4 mature pigs. We have used roofing sheets, but there are alternative materials. For example, thatch, bamboo, even slate, rubber, and what have you. You can also decide not to roof the structure, but the problem there is that the scorching sun will affect them because pigs, they have a lot of fat in the body. Unless they become adapted to the situation. It's better you get an experienced carpenter. If yourself, you are not well versed with carpentry work, because if you do it loosely, they will break it. Pigs are very strong animals. When they are hungry, they can chew anything.